Hello farmers, did you know that soybean is a profitable crop in season? It's a cash crop where you can get a much needed value in terms of increasing productivity and profitability. Soybean is one of the crops that can give you a very high protein content of above 40% and a high oil content of above 20%. So in a bid to become oil self-sufficient as a nation, we are imploring on all soybean farmers and all farmers in Zimbabwe to embrace soybean as a crop of choice. So the African Seed Company has a soybean variety for every farmer. Here we are seeing SC Safari, a blockbuster soybean variety with a yield potential of about 2.5 to about 4 tons per hectare under optimal management. But in that product basket again, we have SC Serenade, which has the largest grain size and the black haulm, which our farmers prefer. We also have SC Spike, which has the ability to grow very tall, but it has very good standability and can still give optimum yields. We have a new blockbuster again, which is coming up in the next season of soybean, which we implore on our farmers to embrace. So in terms of the nuggets that you need to understand about soybean production, timeliness is important. Dry planting of soybean is not encouraged. You need to plant only when you have adequate moisture. This crop that we are seeing here is quite weed-free, as you can see, because soybean suffers a lot from weed pressure. You also need to manage in terms of the nutrition, where you come in with a nitrogen-fixing bacteria so that you encourage the crop to have more roots and more nodules that are going to give you a higher nitrogen level. So the other important thing is to understand that at planting, yes, basal fertilizer is important. And in this field, we are seeing that they practice no-till planting, where we still have the residues or the stover from the crop, which are still in the field, evidently so, in a bid to align to sustainable farming practices. So farming is a business. You need to start with the right seeds. And of course, you need to couple that with good agronomic practices. So Seedco is a one-stop shop for the seed choices and the agronomic expertise. Visit the Seedco website on www.seedcogroup.com. On the left-hand corner, you select the country of interest and you get more intrinsic details about how you can increase production in your cropping venture. Seedco is the real deal.